Okay, welcome back, students. Today will be our fourth lesson, lesson 4, talking about light and sound. Light and sound, lesson 4. We will continue to be using our unique learning system materials. Now, to recap what happened in lesson 3, we found the learning goal. I found the main idea and put the details from the text in order. The text we're referring to is the story Light and Sound by Janelle Gonzunez, illustrated by Alex Weishart. We completed this document, which we put the main idea, what was the most important idea in the text, and we also found the key details, what happened first, next, and last. In this lesson, we'll be reading Chapter 1, The Spring Play. I want you to follow along and use your communication board, or this communication board, as we read the story. The communication board has the same title, The Spring Play, as our chapter title, The Spring Play. The learning goal for this lesson is I will remember how light and sound move. Okay, so Mrs. Thomas's class is doing a spring play. Okay, so you're going to come over here. We're going to find class. What are they doing? A play. Kara, Gavin, and Dale are excited. Kara wants to act. Gavin and Dale want to work backstage. So here we have the class, all right, and the students in the class are excited about the play. One student wants to act. 2 students want to work backstage. Mrs. Thomas says the play will be fun. The play will be hard work. Students can be actors. Students can help with lights and sound. Okay, so the play is going to be a lot of fun. We have some students that are going to be actors and some students who are going to work backstage. The students that work backstage are the students that are going to help with light and sound. And remember, lights and sound are types of energy. So lights and sound are important during a play, right? So what happens if the stage is too dark? What happens if the music is too low? The students are confused. So the students need to figure out how to make sure that the light is not too dark and that the music is not too low. So here we have light, here we have sound, here we have light, here we have sound, and we're going to learn about it. So lights help people see the play, okay? So we have light. What do lights do? They help people see the play. So light and see, okay? The lights cannot be too bright or too dim. People need to hear the actors and the music. So people need to hear the music and the sounds on the stage. The sound cannot be too low. So the students who are working backstage need to also make sure that the sounds and the music are not too low. People need to hear the music. All right, so light and sound are energy. Again, light and sound are energy. Light and sound both move in waves. Let's go back up here to our learning goal. I will remember how light and sound move. So light and sound both move in waves. So we're going to find lights and sound, and they both move in waves. Sound waves and light waves move energy. So we have sound, so sound waves and light waves move what? You guessed it, energy. Light and sound come from different places and things, but they both travel fast. So light travels fast. Sound travels fast. They can bounce off things. So light can bounce and sound can bounce. They can get soaked up by things. So you have light can get soaked up by things. Sound can get soaked up by things. Light and sound are the same in some ways, but they are different in other ways. The students will learn more about light and sound. This will help them with their play. The students can't wait to get started. Let's go back up here. So again, our learning goal was I will remember how light and sound move. Okay, so in the story, chapter 1, we learned that lights and sound move in waves. Lights and sound move energy, okay? Lights and sound move fast. Lights and sound can both bounce off of things, and light and sound can both be soaked up by things. So that ends, great job everyone, that ends lesson 4, light and sound, and I look forward to our next lesson. Have a great day.